How to create Pinterest accounts. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can create yourself a Pinterest account. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up any of your web application, or you can also use your Pinterest app in order to create an account. Once you open up your web application, at the top search bar type in pinterest.com. As you do so, you will land onto its official website. At this page, tap on Continue with email or any Google account that you have. Here, type in your email address and tap on to Next. Then create yourself a strong password and make sure that it's 6 or more characters. Once done, tap on to Next. Select your date of birth, month, day, and year wise. Once done, tap on to Done. At this page, select your gender, then tap on Next. Then pick up to 5 options to customize your home feeds. Tap on to Done, then tap on Continue in browser, or you can just open your app. And this is what your Pinterest homepage will look like. If you tap onto this human icon, you will be able to see your username and your Gmail address. And that is how you can do it. Thank you for watching this video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.